Hey friends, welcome to Design Guy. Want to make your text see-through? I'll show you how in Canva. Click Create, then select Custom Size. Enter 300 by 300 pixels. Next, we will explore the available design tools and options to customize your project efficiently for the specified dimensions. Follow these steps to proceed smoothly with your design. In the Elements panel, select the Photos category to browse available images. Use filters to refine your search, then click any photo to add it directly to your project workspace. Click the See All button to view the complete list of available options and features on your screen. This allows you to explore everything at once. Please provide the full rough transcription or content of the video, so I can create a 41-word script for you. Let's try using this feature to improve your workflow efficiency. Click the Expand button to enlarge view. Next, click the Text tool to add text to your project. Type your desired words in the text box that appears. Adjust the font, size, and color as needed using the toolbar options. Position the text by dragging it to your preferred location on the screen. Repeat these steps to add additional text elements to enhance your project's message. Select the text you want to adjust. To increase or decrease the font size, go to the toolbar and click the Font Size drop-down menu. Choose a larger or smaller size as needed. You can also type a specific font size number directly into the box and press Enter. This method quickly changes your text appearance by resizing the font to your preference. First, change the font color to white. Next, click the Share button at the top right corner. In the Share menu, select the Download option. Choose your preferred file type and quality settings. Finally, click the Download button to save the file to your device. This completes the process of changing the font color and downloading your work quickly and efficiently. First, click to add effects. Next, select the glow effect from the menu. Apply it by adjusting the settings to your preference. This will enhance your project with a vibrant glow that stands out and improves the overall visual appeal. Open the Effects panel to choose and apply visual effects. Adjust settings to customize your project's look and enhance the overall presentation. Select the object, then click the Outline tool to apply. To begin, click the Share button. Next, select Download from the options. In the download settings, increase the quality to ensure the best resolution. Then, check the box labeled Transparent Background to remove any background color. After adjusting these settings, click the Download button to save your file. This process ensures you have a high-quality image with no background, perfect for overlaying on other designs. Remember to verify the file has saved correctly in your Downloads folder or chosen destination. Following these steps guarantees a professional-looking result with enhanced visual clarity. Click Download, then select only the second page to download. Click Done to confirm your selection. This way, only the second page will be downloaded, making it easier to manage your files. Ensure you follow these steps to save just the page you need without downloading the entire document. First, navigate to the first page. Then, drag and drop the image into place. Ensure it aligns correctly before proceeding to the next step in your project workflow. Navigate to the second page and locate the Blend Image tool. Click to select the image you want to use, then choose the Blend Image option from the menu. Next, apply the blend effect by selecting the bottom layer of your composition. This will integrate the blend image with the underlying content, creating a smooth transition between layers. Adjust any additional settings as needed to achieve the desired effect. Save your work before moving on to ensure all changes are preserved. Press Alt and select the main option at the top of the menu to access additional features quickly and enhance your workflow efficiently within the software. The title is displayed here, while the name appears at the bottom. To proceed, click the Assign button. This will link the selected item to the designated category. Ensure you review the information before confirming the assignment. Once you click Assign, the system will save your selection and update the list accordingly. This completes the process for assigning a title to the name efficiently. Set the blend mode to multiply. Next, add a new page to your project to continue editing with additional content and effects. Set the image as a macro image. Then, detach the image to separate it from the current layer for independent editing or manipulation. Here's how it looks. You can see the improved design clearly. To save it, simply click the Download button below. This will download the file to your device immediately. Make sure you choose the desired format if options are available. Once downloaded, you can use it for your project or share it as needed. This process ensures you get the updated version quickly and easily. When saving your image as a PNG, ensure the size is maximized to maintain the best quality. Increasing resolution improves clarity and preserves details. Avoid reducing the dimensions, as this can cause pixelation. Maximizing the image size before export ensures your PNG appears sharp on all devices. After adjusting, simply save the file in PNG format, and your high-quality image is ready for use. You've just learned how to make a cool transparent text effect in Canva. Like and subscribe for more creative tips.